What's up guys, and welcome back to the vlog. Today we're replacing the starter motor on my 95 Mitsubishi 3000 GT, aka Mitzi. But first, I've got something cool I want to show you. Check out these super cool jet tags that I got, guys. I got these made up for the channel. It has the logo on one side and then it has Sláinte on the other. Sláinte means cheers to good health in Irish. So if you're looking to support the channel, I'm launching my website on Wednesday, and these are going to be available on the website along with some other cool stuff. Like, these are super cool. The green actually came out really well. You can't really see it on camera, but the green is really popping. So guys, if you want to support the channel, I'd really appreciate it. I'll leave the link for my website that's going live on Wednesday. I'll leave the link in the comments down below, and if you want to go check them out, they're only going to be about $6 or something like that. So would really appreciate that. But let's get back to the install. Alright guys, so getting back to the build, this is the starter motor that I got it off eBay. You can also go onto the Remy website and find the starter motor there as well. It'll point you in the right direction as to where you can actually get it. First things first though guys, what you generally do before you take the starter motor out is you disconnect the negative terminal of the battery. I, on the other hand, have my battery out because I'm charging it at the moment, so I have the trickle charger plugged in, so I don't actually need to disconnect the negative. All I need to do is just get down and take out the old starter motor, install the new one. So let's get down to the garage. Alright folks, here we are. Let's get her up on jack stands. Alright guys, there it is. Up on the jack stands, which I don't trust. But have it set up like that. And I just have it set up there as well. So, need to get in underneath now. I'm going to show you where the starter motor is. So that's the starter motor there, guys. There's two 14 bolts that I have to remove, so I'm going to remove them now. Alright guys, so there is the old starter motor. So I just need to disconnect these two. Disconnect this is just a clip, plug it out, and then on the back here I just have to bolt that off, and that should just come out then. Right guys, starter's out. Now time to get the new motor out and get it put back in. That's the starter motor there, back in, the new one. Just gotta put the two bolts back in place and we should be good to go. Starter's in guys, time to get the first cold start of the winter. Let's do it!
Later.
That's it for today's video guys. The starter motor's in. You've seen the first cold start of the winter for Mitzi. She's sounding great. We've got loads more work to do. We've got something cool coming up on her now. I'm just waiting on the parts to arrive. Don't forget, the website is launching on Wednesday, so you can check out all the cool items I have, or the merch that I have on the website on Wednesday. And if you want to support the channel, you want to support the builds that I have coming up, then check out the website, grab yourself some merch. As always though guys, if you like the video, like and subscribe. Until next time, Sláinte.